This is the Unit 7 Algebra Day 3 worksheet, number 5. Simplify the square root of 128. 128 has different factors that can work. 128 is made up of 2 times 64. 128 could also be 4 times 32. 128 could be 8 times 16. So if I use the largest perfect square, that'll save me time because it'll take the fewest number of steps. So I'm going to break 128 up into 64 and the square root of 2. 64 times 2 is 128. The square root of 164 is the number 8. Square root of 2 is just square root of 2, and so that's my final answer. You can stop there, or you can stop the video now, or I would show you another way to do it in case you started with a different pair of numbers. Let's say I started with 4 root 32. Square root of 4 and square root 32, sorry. The square root of 4 simplifies to a 2. Square root of 32 can break down more, and so we need to keep going. So on a few of the worksheets, we had students that would do something like this where they simplified part of the number, but they didn't keep going with the problem. So this can become 2 times, and then my green 32 can break up into a 16 and a 2. Maybe you say 8 and 4, but then you have to keep going again because you're not using the largest perfect square. So if I do this, I'll get 2 times, square root of 16 is a 4, and then the square root 2 stays there. So that's going to equal 8 square root.